Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this LeetCode problem, which is minimum absolute difference. What this problem says is that we have been given an array of distinct integers and we have to find the pair of all the elements with minimum absolute difference. What does absolute minimum difference is? Here it has been said. Suppose if any pair A and B is given, then if A is greater than B, A minus B will be absolute difference, and if B is greater than A, then B minus A would be absolute difference. Okay, so this can be done if we sort the array in the beginning only, and then we do two iterations. In first iteration we'll find the minimum absolute difference, and in second iteration we'll find all the pairs which are equal to this difference, and we'll put it in an array which we have to return. Now let's see how we'll code it. First we'll sort the array to make our work easier. Then I'm leaving some space to initialize the variables which we will use. We'll run the first loop to find the pairs, the minimum absolute difference. Okay, what will be, and we'll take a variable to define the minimum absolute difference. Okay, initially we'll define it as integer of max. So we'll update this mini, which will be the minimum of mini, and the ARR of I plus 1 minus ARR of I. We don't need to put the absolute because we have already sorted the array, so ARI plus 1 would always be greater than ARI of I. At the end of the iteration we'll get our minimum absolute difference in the mini. Then again we'll do another iteration. In this iteration what we'll do, find the pairs. Okay, and what we'll store our answer in a vector named as answer. Okay, and here we'll check if our ARR of I plus 1 minus ARR of I is equal to mini. Then what we'll do, we'll push back those elements in our array, that is ARR of I comma ARR of I plus 1. In the question itself it is said that first the smaller value is to be inputted in the answer array, and simply we'll return this answer vector. That was a very easy question. Hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, put it in the comment section.